All right, I'm going to be doing a quick tune-up on this Troy-Bilt power washer, and this thing is quite a few years old, so it's kind of in need of a little tune-up. So I'm going to double check the spark plug, make sure that that's clean, air filter over here on this side, and I'm checking the oil. Here's where the dipstick is. Did a quick look at that, and that oil looks a little old, so we're going to be replacing old oil on that. But this is the GCV190. That's the engine, the Honda engine that's in this Troy-Bilt. So it's a very reliable engine. I've had this for at least 6-7 years, I'm assuming. So just need to look at the spark plug, make sure it's okay. The air filter, probably need to order one of those. This is a really good power washer. It's got 3,000 PSI max, 2.7 max GPMs, gallons per minute, depending on the nozzle that you use. You can see here, depending on the nozzle, the GPMs change, and the PSI changes too, because of the orifice size in the nozzles. Yeah, so let's get right to it. Let's check the spark plug first. This is a 13/16 inch ratchet. Doesn't have to be torqued down that hard. It looks pretty good. Doesn't look worn at all. That's not bad. I'm gonna put that back in there. I don't believe there's anything wrong with that. I'll check the air filter next. And when you place the spark plug cable back on, you want to make sure that you hear that click. So I'm going to try to show this to you. You hear that click? That means the spark plug wire's on. Now for the air filter, just press these two tabs in, pull it off. This is the air filter. So yeah, it's a little dirty. Not bad though. I mean, these air filters don't really get that dirty to begin with, but I'll probably order one online. I'll put a link down below, but for now I'm just going to keep this one in place. I think this is fine for now. And then to place it, you see these little grooves right here? So this piece goes in here like this, push it up, and then these little clips get clamped in here, and that's it, that's secure. All right, here's the fuel line. So to turn it off, you're perpendicular to the line. To turn it on, you're parallel to the line. Choke, on-off switch. And let's take a look at the oil. This is the little dipstick that comes with it. I haven't changed the oil in a couple seasons, so I believe this is going to be a little dirty. So let's take a look at that. You got to make sure that you're on a flat ground, obviously. So yeah, so on the dirty side, I mean, it's fine in terms of level, but it is on the dirty side. So we're going to replace it with some new SAE oil, 4-cycle SAE motor oil for single grade for this unit. You can put a 5W30. You can put, I believe, even a 10W30. Let's just double check the manual. So yeah, you can install an SAE 30 grade or 5W30, 10W30. I'm just gonna go ahead, since I have it, I'm gonna go with the SAE 30 because I only use this really in the summer months, spring, summer, fall months. There's no reason for me to have such a lightweight oil for this unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that. So first thing I'm gonna do is empty that out. And the only way to empty that out is to actually tip this over into a pan. and you're emptying everything out of that engine. Okay, so let's do that first, and then we can fill it back up. I already know this is going to get dirty, so I'm going to use these pig pads to make sure it catches any oil when I dump the oil into this pan. See how black this is. So this was pretty black and dirty, but it's empty. Let's just double check to see how much we need to put in there, or just simply use the dipstick to find out when it's full. All right, so in the manual it says the refill amount is 12 to 13.5 ounces, or 0.35 to 4.4 liters. Always check the oil with the dipstick after refilling. So, and again, you're gonna need a funnel that has a small neck on it, so you can actually fit it into the oil filling device. And just place the new oil in. Okay, we're good, we're full. See this little indicator right here? So that little line that's there indicates that we're full. So we're good to go, clean this up, and we'll try to start it up.